Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is second part of Cambridge IGCSE Paper 1 core of October-November 2021. So in the first video we did question 1 to 11. In this video we are going to do the remaining question. So let's start. Question 12 part A. Find the next term in this sequence. So we are looking for the next term here. So you can see in this sequence, so we need to look for the rule that we are following here. So if we see 13 minus 7, it is 6. So we are getting next term by adding 6. So 19 plus 6 is 25. So similarly 25 plus 6, it is 31. So next sequence answer will be 31, right? Part B. Write down the term to term rule for this sequence. We have this. We need to find out how we are getting the next term from the previous term. So as you can see, it is decreasing. The sequence is decreasing. So we can find out the difference. It is 4. So that means we are getting next term by subtracting 4. So that's the rule here. So that is subtract 4, right? Now part C, we have negative 1, 1, 3 and 5. Find the nth term for this sequence. So we can use the formula which is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So from here to here it's easy to get it from the positive terms. So plus 2 here, also plus 2, you're getting 1. So A is negative 1, the first term, plus n minus 1 into D is 2. So minus 1 plus, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. So combine this and this, we will have 2n minus 3. So that is the final answer, 2n minus 3, right? Now number 13. A circular disc has circumference of 250. Calculate the radius of the disc. So we know that the formula of circumference is 2 pi r, right? And this circumference is given to us as 250 centimeters. So 2 pi r equals to 250. So r will be 250 over 2 pi. So let's calculate that. 250 divided by 2 times pi. It is 39.78. So this is 39.78. So we can write down in 3 significant figures. It's 39.8. So 1 added here because this is 5 more than 5, right? Number 14. Factorize completely. So we are looking for the common number here. First, both numbers are divisible by 3. They are multiples of 6 also and 3 also. So we will take the bigger number 6, and then out of here we have x, and minimum is x here. 6 times 3 minus 2. So our final answer will be 6x into 3x minus 2, right? Part B, expand and simplify. So we need to open the brackets. So first x will be multiplied to the entire bracket. So x into x squared, x into negative 3, then plus 5x minus 15. So x squared plus 2x minus 15. By combining this we will get positive 2x. So final answer is x squared plus 2x minus 15. Question number 15. Sophie buys 73 books for her school. Each book costs $21.95. By rounding each number to one significant figure, estimate the total cost. So total cost we are going to get by multiplying, right? So now this rounding to the one significant figure, this 73 will become 70 and 21 0.9, so this is 21. So one significant figure, it will be 20. So total cost will be 70 times 20, which is 1400. So that's it for this one. Part B, write down whether this estimate is greater or less than the exact cost. Explain how do you decide without working out the exact cost. Now you see both of the numbers, we have rounded it down. This was 73, we made it 70, and this is 21, we made it 20. So it will be less, obviously, because we are rounding both of them down. So it will be less. We will write down here less because both values are rounded down, right? Now number 16, calculate the size of one interior angle of the regular octagon. So for the octagon, we know that number of sides is 8, right? So now we know we are looking for the interior angle. So now sum of interior angle, we have formula, sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. So n is 8 minus 2 times 180. So this comes out to be 1080, right? So this is sum of all interior angles, right? So we are looking for one interior angle. So one interior angle is equal to this divided by 8. So it is 135. So our final answer is 135 degrees. Got it? Question 17. The table shows the relative frequency of the games won by a football team. So results of the game: won, lost and drawn. So we are given the relative frequency here. The number of games lost is twice the number of games drawn. Okay, so let's say number of games drawn is x and number of games lost is twice of that. That means 2x. Complete the table. So now we know that sum of frequencies is always 1. Okay, so sum of frequencies is 1. So that means this 2x plus x, these three frequencies we are going to add. So this will become 3x equals to 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. So 3x divided by 3 divided by 3. So 0.3. So x is 0.3. That was game drawn. Game drawn, this is x and this is 2x. So this is 0.3 and twice of that is 0.6. So that's how you can complete this question step by step. Now number 18. Without using calculator, work out this fractions calculation. You must show all your working. So let's start. 1 5 over 6 plus 2 over 5. So when you break up this 6 times 1 plus 5, right? 6, it's 11. So it is 11 over 6 plus 2 over 5, right? So now we want to add this one. So to make the denominator same, we can multiply here by 5 and here by 6. Okay, so this is going to be 55 and 30 plus 12 over 30. So now we can just add them. So this is 67, 55 plus 12 is 67 over 30. So now we need to write down this into the mixed number. So 67 divided by 30. So 3 times 2, it is 60. So 7 is remainder. So we can write it down. Remainder remains, this denominator remains in denominator and remainder goes up. Divisor is here. So final answer is 7 over 30. Question 19. You can see we have a graph here, line graph. Find the equation of line L. Give your answer in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So this is the line L given to us. So for this line we need to have the gradient, right? So to find out the gradient, we can have any 2 points. Like this point, it is x is 0, y is 2, and we can choose this top point here, which is 2 and 8. Okay, this is 2 and 8. So to find out the gradient, that means the m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 from here, 8 minus 2 over 2 minus 0. So 6 over 2, that is 3. So our gradient is 3. So equation of the line y is equal to mx plus c. So we got m as 3x plus c. Okay, so now how will you find out the value of c? Value of c is y-intercept. So that means the line where it touches the y-axis. So it is at 2. So this is our c is equal to 2. So final equation is y equals to 3x plus 2. So that's it. Question 20, Venn diagram. You can see a Venn diagram question is here. So there are 50 families in a village. See a family who owns a car. You can see here is a car. Family who owns a bicycle denotes B. And 23 families own a car. 10 families own a car and bicycle. 6 families own no car and no bicycle. Complete the Venn diagram. So I can start from here, the down one. 6 families own no car and no bicycle. So 6 will go outside of this. And then now we have 23 and 10. So you see the 23 and 10, if you add all of them, what are we going to get? So 10 families, we can do the other way. 10 families own a car and a bicycle. So car and bicycle, so that means 10 is here. They have both car and bicycle. So now 23 families own a car. So to make this 23, so we have to add here 13, right? So we are done with this one and 23. So now this one in total, what do we have? So we have, this is 23 plus 6, which is 29. So 50 was the total number minus 29, so it is 21. So that means 21 will go here, right? Now find n C union B. N means number of elements in C union B. So that means we are looking for everything whatever is in C and B. So that means it's 13 plus 10 plus 21, which comes out to be 44. Okay, now number 21. This is the last question of this paper. So we have this sector here. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with radius 4.8 centimeters and sector angle of 45. Calculate the area of the sector. So formula of area of sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. So theta is 45 over 360 times pi r is 4.8 squared. So when you calculate this one, let's see. It is 45 times 4.8 squared and then divided by 360. So it is 9.0477, right? So for that, for the three significant figures, it will be 9.05, adding 1 here. Adding 1 here, 9.05 is the final answer. So that was the last question of this paper. I hope you guys understood this one. So if there is anything, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video, please press the like button and please share it with your friends. And also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.